继续来看美国的总统川普，伫家己的社群媒体来抛文，讲以色列甲哈马斯已经达成第一阶段停火协议。以色列的军队会一步一步脱离着争线，哈马斯卖照规定来释放着以色列的人质。这讲川普无排除这个周末会亲身到中东行一逝，协助停火的协议。
美国总统川普伫记者会话讲到一半，坐伫边仔的美国国务卿卢比欧摕一张白色纸条啊，互伊。川普看了是直直点头，表情足满意。卢比欧行去川普边仔，甲伊讲这个重大的消息。
Yeah, I was just given a note by the Secretary of State saying that we're very close to a deal in the Middle East.
The president posting on his social media a short time ago, quote, "I'm very proud to announce that Israel and Hamas have both signed off on the first phase of our peace plan."
以下战争烧这2冬，总算是有停战的希望。CNN 报道指出，第一阶段停火协议，以色列退出争线，哈马斯嘛要释放所有人质。
With the approval of the first phase of the plan, all our hostages will be brought home. This is a diplomatic success and a national and moral victory for the state of Israel.
以色列总理纳坦雅胡发文庆祝，有斗3天的卡达外交部发言人嘛抛文，欢喜看到物资顺利进入加沙。
I may go there sometime toward the end of the week, maybe on Sunday.
根据美国福斯新闻指出，以色列人质上紧后礼拜一来释放。川普嘛计划拜六礼拜会去中东协助停火协议的实行。
Following that, you would have a gradual process of further Israeli withdrawals combined with Hamas disarming according to that proposal, and ultimately the handover of territory and of governance authority to an international security force.
专家分析指出，川普20点和平计划。 终极目标是哈马斯解除武装，重建加沙。第一阶段停火，虽望双方已经达成共识，不过后壁协议内容是不是会当顺利进行，还阁唔知。
Hello， 我是林纯佩。想要掌握最及时的新闻资讯或是体坛动态吗？赶快按赞、订阅、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻的 YouTube 频道。